Kalkalida lang ito.
Thank you so much for that speech. I thought you weren't gonna talk, so I was supposed to interview you. But he did his speech. So I hope everybody listened, nakinig po kayo, because some of our games are related to what they said. Alright? So, since we were not gonna have a formal wedding with all the ceremonies of a normal wedding, I hope you guys stay all throughout the program. Di ba ang wedding ceremony mga 2 hours? 2 to 3 hours at church, right? Or 2 hours at church. So we hope you stay at least, that's at least 2 hours. 2 hours or more. Okay? So the rest of the program will involve games and a lot of dancing. So nagiging mo na ang tayaw kita, sisiwi, suyosoy, and any other dance, line dance, sweet dance, yeah? Be ready to dance later on. So let me just ask, what dating app was it? Who are the singles here? Wala. At taas ang kamay, may chance pa tayo. They met at the dating app, right? What dating app was it? Tinder. Oh, Tinder! Is there Tinder in the Philippines? I think Bumble. Yeah. Alright, so guys, we can start downloading the dating app. Alright, so we are glad that you both are here. Is it your first time here in the Philippines?
Yes, first time.
Yeah. What do you think of the fog? I heard there's no fog in France.
No what?
The fog. Have you seen the white clouds outside?
No, they are fog, but not as heavy, as thick as here.
Uwawi is the Kalinga term for lullaby. Uwawi is usually played for baby to sleep. The second, so they will perform the kapbuk.
So, yeah, Pierre, that's one of the dances here in the Cordilleras. You married an Igorota. Did you know that here in the Philippines there is only a very few ethnic groups or groups who have preserved their culture, and we are considered one of the indigenous people here in the Philippines. There's like maybe, let's say, 5 groups only in the entire Philippines, and the Cordillerans or Igorots are one, and that's one of the dances. So I can see your clothes have an Igorot, a Cordilleran touch. I was expecting you to wear the same as the boys.